Welcome back to our little corner of greenery. I'm so excited to share some tips and tricks with you today. As March is knocking on our doors, it's time to get our hands dirty and sow some seeds. But wait, before you dive in, let's talk about which seeds you absolutely must sow in March to ensure a bountiful harvest later on. First up, we have the ever-popular tomatoes. Ah, tomatoes, the juicy stars of our salads, sauces, and sandwiches. March is the perfect time to sow tomato seeds indoors. They love warm soil and need plenty of sunlight to grow strong and healthy. Plus, starting them indoors gives them a head start before transplanting them outdoors once the weather warms up. Whether you prefer cherry tomatoes for snacking or beefsteak tomatoes for slicing, March is the time to get those seeds in the soil. Next on our list are peppers. Sweet peppers, hot peppers, bell peppers, you name it. March is the ideal time to sow pepper seeds. Just like tomatoes, peppers thrive in warm soil and sunshine. By starting them indoors now, you'll have robust seedlings ready to transplant into your garden when the frost is behind us. Imagine the taste of those fresh peppers in your salads or grilled to perfection. It's making my mouth water already. Now, let's talk about herbs. Oh, how I adore herbs. They add such depth and flavor to our culinary creations. March is the perfect time to sow seeds of basil, cilantro, parsley, and dill. These aromatic wonders will thrive in the spring weather, and before you know it, you'll have an herb garden that's the envy of the neighborhood. Just imagine stepping outside to snip fresh herbs for your pasta sauce or garnish for your soups. It's like having a mini herb paradise right in your backyard. Lettuce, the crown jewel of any salad bowl. March is the ideal time to sow lettuce seeds directly into your garden beds or containers. Lettuce loves the cool weather of early spring, and by planting now, you'll be harvesting crisp, fresh leaves in no time. From butterhead to romaine to leaf lettuce, there's a variety for every taste bud and every type of salad you can imagine. Last but certainly not least, we have peas. Sweet, crunchy peas bursting with flavor, what's not to love? March is the perfect time to sow pea seeds directly into your garden soil. Peas thrive in cooler temperatures, so planting them now ensures a plentiful harvest before the summer heat sets in. Just picture yourself shelling those fresh peas and tossing them into stir-fries or steaming them as a side dish. It's like nature's candy. So there you have it, folks, the must-sow seeds for March. Whether you're dreaming of juicy tomatoes, fiery peppers, fragrant herbs, crisp lettuce, or sweet peas, now's the time to get those seeds in the soil and watch your garden come to life. Thanks for joining me today, and happy gardening. Remember, there's nothing quite as rewarding as growing your own food. Until next time, keep sowing those seeds and watching your garden flourish. Bye for now.